That is why I call upon my distinguished colleagues to support the passage of a resolution requesting the Independent Commission on Infrastructure to conduct an immediate ocular inspection and investigation of all flood control projects in the Lone District of Iloilo City. May our efforts today finally close the curtain on the performative politics that has long predated our. Madam Chair, I have included in the agenda item F06. If I may just proceed to the item as a corollary motion.
Please proceed.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to respectfully propose the passage of a resolution requesting the Independent Commission for Infrastructure to conduct an immediate ocular inspection and investigation to the possible anomalies, irregularities, and misuse of funds of all flood control projects in the Lone District of Iloilo City. But before I move, I would like to open the floor for any interpellation from a good cause.